are you doing there?
Just removing our exhaust system with this high quality piece of pipe here that was.
Can you powder coat that?
Oh yeah, make it look brand new. Cerakote, look at that. Like it came off the showroom floor yesterday. Oh, it's coming out now.
Look at that. 1951 exhaust.
1951 exhaust system right there. Look at that. Oh. We won't get that on camera. Listen to that. That sounds nice. What are those rain sticks called? Isn't it like a rain stick or something?
Rain stick.
You just like turn it up and it...
Oh yeah.
Wow. See if that looks in. There we go. That's the magic. That's where all the horsepower went.
Man, it's gonna rain tomorrow now since you shook that magic rain stick.
Shook the magic rain stick. The rain exhaust. Is that what we'll call this? That's 70 years of exhaust, rust, and no telling what else. But actually, you know what? Older trucks like this run leaded gas, is what they had back in the day. So probably some of that is old lead buildup, is what I think it would be. Some of it is. Still kind of just looks black on the camera, but it's actually a real nice white color. That's from old lead being in the gas. It's like our old airplanes, all of our airplanes, because they still use 100 low lead. Instead of being black out of the exhaust system, it's always this like nice white creamy color. Yep, you can smell it. It smells just like it.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Get some good content.
So we're here the next day with the Big Bear Engine Company 4BT right here, putting it in Mater. We got the flathead 6 coming out of it right now. We just loosened up the two 7/16. Actually, I think they were a ½ inch. There's a bracket down here. We got those popped loose. We popped the exhaust manifold off. You guys saw that. In the last video, we got Chase under there right now. We just took the master cylinder off. We also got the bolts on the side of the engine loose. 4BTengines.com. They've got everything from industrial engines to the everyday guy that wants to do a diesel swap on their own truck. So 4BTengines.com will be linked down below. They're out of Denver, Colorado. They knocked it out of the park with this engine, and can't wait till we get this thing dropped in here, because to be honest, Chase, I miss this truck. I walk outside my house and I'm like, it's like missing a son or something. I miss my truck.
It's a nice truck.
Tiny little transmission, isn't it?
Little dude. It's a small thing. It's a 3-speed?
4-speed.
Oh, 4-speed.
Yeah, with a 2-speed rear end.
Yep. All right.
But she gets down. I mean, this thing would run 7s in the quarter.
Oh yeah, I bet.
Yeah, you wouldn't imagine.
It will when we're done with it.
So these bolts, these massive bolts right here, are gonna have to pop loose too. Those look like, I don't know, 3/4 or so, but
yeah,
we'll hit those up with some liquid wrench. Liquid wrench has been knocking it out of the park for us here.
Oh yeah.
Getting these things loose, these frozen old bolts out. So on both sides. And as soon as we loosen up the parts of the transmission and pop that down, dude, look at that thing. That thing's got some miles on it, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
That's crazy, man. It's gonna be interesting to get this thing popped out and be able to see what it's looking like outside the truck, but from what we can tell now, it actually looks to be in decent shape.
Really does. I'm honestly impressed with the daggum clutch. It's not near as rusty as you would think it would be. I mean, I don't know. I mean, how many years did the lady say if they didn't drive it?
32 years.
So you know it hasn't at least had a clutch since then, and I mean, really not rusty.
Yeah, it's not. It's sat in a pole barn, so it's not in bad shape at all. You can see the original PTO emblem right here. That's pretty cool. Original part number PTO. That's pretty sweet. Well, we'll catch up with you guys once we get this zapped off and pull this engine.
All right.
I'm excited. coming up and out. See if it'll, we got to tilt it up off these front studs so that Chase can get underneath there and pry it back. Oh yeah, it's coming. There it goes.
She's getting stiff, boys.
Getting stiff? Yeah. Probably hitting them studs on the clutch.
I bet that thing's got bolts on the top side coming from the back. Let me look and see. Sure enough, there's one there.
One more bolt.
One more bolt. Hold the dang the bracket.
Oh, flathead's coming out after 70 years. We're clear here on the front.
Did you get your studs out, bro?
Yeah, the studs are out.
Oh, you gotta go way higher to put that oil pan. Come on up.
Is it gonna be able to twist like that?
There it goes.
There it is.
Up and out, huh?
She's ready.
Sweet.
Go grab that.
Oh yeah.
And you keep them twisting. I keep on coming.
Come forward with it now a little bit. Alright. Make sure everything is disconnected.
Get that
Oh.
that temp sensor off.
Oh yeah, that truck was kind of stuck in there.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, you kind of wiggling that out earlier.
Yeah, I didn't have room back there earlier.
We got room now.
Oh yeah, she's out of there.
It's good.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
It's out of
You
there
gotta come up a
completely.
little bit more now.
Mater's engine. That's crazy. Oh, Flathead 6 is out of there.
Actually, you're gonna have to wiggle that alternator wire. That
man.
right there.
Oh. Oh,
Oh, you unhooked it from the
yeah.
firewall? Oh, I got you. I see it. They got it just wrapped around.
there it goes.
There it is.
Connected by one wire. Couldn't get the engine out, guys. Just one wire. Just couldn't make it.
I believe that's gonna clear. You ready?
Yep.
Bump it over here a little bit. Do that.
All right. Come on, man.
Out of there. Check that out. Oh yeah, we're leaking a little coolant right there, it looks like. Yeah, we're gonna have a little fluids leak. Oh, we're good.
That right there, man. Look at actually how clean that is between there. Hold up, bro.
It's fairly clean.
It really is.
It's not bad for 70 years and sitting in a barn 32 years.
No. It really is. I mean, actually, there's still a little bit of paint left on the back side of the block.
There is. That's crazy.
Silver or something.
So awesome, man. I love old stuff.
Oh, man. They don't build it like they used to. But that's
for
sure.
sure.
It's so weird when you look in there and you actually seeing the valves come from the bottom.
I'm gonna shine a light in there real quick.
That's pretty cool in, like, company insignia or whatever the heck that means. Look at that.
Timing or something? What the hell would you need? I don't know what that's for. Like the clock?
I don't...
I don't know. Comment down below if you guys know what the 1, 2, 3, 4. Why is it on 3? What does that insigniate? Is that just a? It looks like a flathead screwdriver right there. You can adjust it.
Yeah.
What does that adjust?
I don't know.
Maybe nothing. Maybe just for show.
Maybe it's just, yeah, it looks like that.
I don't know. There's a lot of room in here now that that thing's out of there.
It really is.
We got some room to play.
Heck yeah. This was a mega pain in the butt.
Yeah. That bracket right there was
Magic of YouTube. You don't see how long that actually took.
about 30 minutes to probably get those 2 bolts out.
Yeah.
It's kind of
maybe a
crazy.
little bit longer than that.
Maybe.
Straight up chill on the front.
Or is it
Exactly.
probably a rubber motor mount that shit's
Oh, that
boring.
just ripped. Yep, that's exactly what happened. Just got old.
Yep.
Man, you didn't have to pull that apart.
Probably didn't, did I? That's crazy. So we're pretty clean inside.
Yeah, the port's actually not that dirty.
So it's going to be interesting to get power steering in here, guys. We were just talking about it, and we were thinking about a hydro boost setup is what we were talking about.
Yep, Hydro Boost.
For power steering and brakes, because obviously the old master cylinder that bolted up down here on the right side is not going to work for the new engine, which we might